Got a new package. Let's check it out. What do we have here? Made in China. So light. What's in here? It's nothing. Literally nothing. It's just a case. The heck? Huh. There you go. A case. Tell you what. Case is kind of sturdy. Huh. I probably could use this for my... Give me 1 second. I think I could use this stuff. Okay, now I don't have this thing, which is basically to cut, to shave and all that, but I have this one, which is for Phillips. Basically the same thing. There you go. Case. Now I actually could take it, put my stuff away. I have one, and the clips right here, which I do have. Put the rest over here. Okay, it came in handy. I thought it was just a piece. So, till next time, I guess. I don't even know the name of this brand. It just came in a box. It has no paper. So I can't even tell you what name is it. Oh, wait a minute. It's the Crazedigi shaver case. There you go. Crazy shaver digit case. Peace out.